In this lesson, I will give you 3 more sketching technique. When you will make a new sketch, you have to keep in mind that sketch profile has to be the part overall shape. It does not need to be very accurate, but if you make a approximate shape of that overall part, then that's fine. Let's say if I make a hole here, I will use extrude. Then I will create one more sketch with this extrude. Now here, if I ask you which one is the overall shape of the part, definitely your answer is this rectangle is the overall shape of the part. But I designed it this circle first, which is wrong. Now another tips I will give you: when you will create a new sketch, always try to make it simple. So I will create a new part. I will show you how to keep a sketch simple. Let's say if I create a brand new sketch, first, this is very important to make the overall shape of your part. Try to make it approximate size. Let's say I want to keep these two equal. In that case, I can leave somewhere like this. Then I want to add two hole. So first, create the overall shape of your part. This is very important before you put any geometric relation or any dimension. So first, make the overall shape. So I did that. Now next thing is try to put geometric relation as much as possible. More geometric relation you will put, less number of dimension you have to insert. So now I will put few geometric relation. I will make these two horizontal because I want to keep these two circles centered at the horizontal position. Then I will select these two. These two has to be equal. Then I will create a center line because I want to make this 2 point and this line symmetry. So based on this center line, I want to make this point symmetry. Then I will select these two line. I want to make these two collinear. Also I will select these two line. I want to make these two line equal. Also I want to make this point at the center of this point. So I will right click here. I will select midpoint and press Ctrl key in your keyboard. Then select this point and make vertical. Now I will put few dimension. 35, 45. I have to give dimension for this. 40. This is almost black. I will put height of this, which is 100. Then I will add vertical distance from bottom to center of this circle, which is 65. I have to give this circle diameter, which is 20. Now you can see still we can see these two line is underdefined. Now I will select this point and this center line and make symmetry. And you can see everything is fully defined with minimum number of dimension. So first rule is try to make the overall shape, then create geometric relation as much as possible, then add dimension at last, and after putting all dimension, if you need to put few other geometric relation, put that. Here let's say this height you want to keep as this length. In that case I will delete it and I will add one center line. Now I will select these two and press equal. Now by using this technique I just reduced one dimension. Less dimension you will apply, more control you will get inside your sketch. Also this will maintain your design intent.